Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Crypto Beast. All right, and so I'm in the members area of it right now. We're gonna come back and briefly go through this because in addition, there is a demo video that is on my bonus page. And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and get over to my bonus page now so I can show you that and tell you about Crypto Beast a little bit. All right, so if you're on YouTube, go ahead and either next to or beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses in Crypto Beast here. Click on that link and it will take you to this page that you're seeing in front of you now. All right, quick and simple, basically in 60 seconds flat, 100% done for you crypto system makes us $250 in free Bitcoin every 24 hours. All right, and basically it is a 100% done for you cloud-based, creates 100% automated cryptocurrency profit sites. All right, in less than 60 seconds. So we're using this to earn commissions and free crypto. So you're 3 easy steps away. Step number 1 is to create a username and password and click login. Step number 2, enter your payment information and activate the system. And step number 3, there is no step number 3. That's it, according to the creators here. All right. And so let's go take a look at the dashboard here. And so standard dashboard, for this group, most of your information is obtained through the menu on the left hand side here. We're in the dashboard tab where you have your welcome video. And of course, that's where there's like a minute and a half welcome video there. All right, and the tutorials is going to be your main source. Here you're going to talk about your Crypto Beast sign up process. You're actually going to click on all of these links and get your affiliate links, and this is where you're going to be earning money from. If we're going down the page, your integrations, that's your mail, I need to close my mail, speaking of which. Your autoresponders, how to set that up. If you don't have one, you have a free trial right here. Articles that are going to be on your sites, teach you how to do that, and also your ads and information about the upgrades that you did not take advantage of at the front end. When you purchase Crypto Beast, you can go ahead and learn how to do that here, but basically it's over here on the side. Bonus builder, so your Crypto Beast bonus builder in this video will show you how to set up a page and use the super affiliate builder, as well as a discussion on strategies and what else is essential for success. Get down here to traffic strategies. This one is on emails, and then you have your traffic strategies through video. Then you have traffic strategies, 3 free ones that are recommended here, and then here the best marketing traffic sources in 2022. So all that and more, with more info and free stuff and traffic, in your training, your tutorials area here. And so we talked about some stuff over there, and in the training videos, one was ads, setting those up, articles, setting those up, call to actions, those are your call to action buttons and images. You can create those, and if we go into one just to show you real quickly here, you'll give it a name, you can upload the file, then you have your bullet points, to put next to it. But the main part here is, your affiliate link, for the particular product that you're going to be promoting. You want to put that in there, and of course, do click save your changes, so that is always there. Okay. Also, your affiliates, whatever you choose to have chosen to become affiliate for. Same thing with your highlights, and then of course you have your site settings. Your site settings is your main site. You can set your colors and everything, your banner ads, your article collection. Right now I think I only have one article collection in here, which is crypto, but you can have many. And your affiliate collection settings, same thing. Only thing I have in there is crypto. You set up your, what autoresponder that you're using and your list of where your people are going to go to. And of course, you're going to have your autoresponder link here. Okay. And of course, if you're setting that up, don't forget to, click save changes. All right. And so, that was your site settings. Here, additional traffic sources. You can share, on all these social media sites. All right, and then more information on free traffic here. You have this tutorial, and then as you scroll down the page, you have access to Affiliate Traffic Lab. That's the software that helps get traffic and everything, Viral Newsjacker, and a few other things there, all free for you to use. And then again, your upgrades here, your help or support if you happen to need anything, but 99.9% of everything is in the tutorials there. Is all that you will need. Okay, so let's go back over. Like I said, I have a review video on my bonus page, and we're going to go ahead and go back to that. And so what is this going to cost you? It's going to cost you $17. Okay, actually, and I believe there's a $2 exit pop-up, so you can get it for $15. There are a number of one-time offers. There's the unlimited version, so obviously the front-end version has some limitations to it. Don't know what those are, but you can get the unlimited version for $37 on the downsell. OTO number 2, 100% done for you. If you want everything set up for you, don't need to lift a finger. We'll do it for you for $47. Unlimited traffic for $47. OTO number 4, automation for $47. And OTO number 5, the ATM version. This is another traffic method for $47 on the downsell. OTO number 6, the ultimate version. Not quite sure what all that includes, but you'll be taken through all of these and their explanations and sales pages once you pick up the front end. And OTO number 7, the license rights, of course, that's where you're able to sell Crypto Beast as your own, keep 100% of all the profits that come in. All right, so these benefits for you: automated crypto system, 100% done for you, designed for beginners. Beta testers are loving it, and I believe something like 100% of the beta testers that they used, got results and earned free crypto. So no experience required. New tech for 2022. Work from home. Quit your job, travel, enjoy life. All that fluff. Stop failing and finally break through. Unlock real laptop lifestyle. 180-day money-back guarantee from this group. They always provide that unconventional, unmatched 180-day money-back guarantee, and get results or we do it for you. All right, and so I had not refreshed this page, and so let me go ahead and go back down here. And here's the demo video that I added for Crypto Beast. You can go ahead and bookmark this page, and you can come here and you can go ahead and start watching the demo. And so what I have for you now, one thing that they were emphasizing here is traffic. And so that is my number one bonus that I'm going to give to you, because this is guaranteed traffic. So you're guaranteed 5,000 visitors, all right, to any offer, that you want to send it to. All right. Also 2,500 text ads, 2,500 banner impressions. Okay. No time limit or anything like that. Just guaranteed visitors. All right. Bonus number 2, Side Hustle Secrets. This is a exclusive digital download edition. And so if you are looking for different ways of making extra money, especially making money online, this is a great resource for you. Go ahead and pick that up. Just these 2 bonuses, right here together, $1,100 at a minimum in their value. So not only are you going to be picking up Crypto Beast, to earn free crypto and Bitcoin or any other coin that's available, but you're also getting these valuable bonuses just for buying the front end. All right, bonus number 3, triple traffic, another traffic source. So here you have your link with the option of multiple links being put on a rotator that has tens of thousands of subscribers, and so your ad or your link, almost like a solo ad, will be placed in front of those interested buyers. Bonus number 4, monthly income system. A system of creating and maintaining, monthly income with making money online. All right, and bonus number 5, essential emails. Now, of course, we talked about email a little bit, during the members area there. And so if you need to know, if you're not a professional at it, you want to know how to set it up, how to create the headline, what to say, how often to send emails and other elements of email marketing. This here course is for you. Extremely valuable, once again. And then bonus number 6 are the bonuses that Glenn Kosky and his team are offering you when you pick up Crypto Beast today. All right, and so a ton of invaluable bonuses on top of a program application, building free sites for you to get people to purchase and make you money. All right, this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform, and of course at any time, any of the red banners on my bonus page here, you can click on and it'll take you over to your secure checkout to pick up Crypto Beast today. All right, let me go ahead and ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and click that alert bell to stay informed of the latest and greatest. That's it, quick and simple. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching my review and bonuses of Crypto Beast, and have yourself a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.